Hello everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Flow. I'm happy you're here today. In today's lesson, we are going to learn English through a real-life conversation and story. Today's topic is how I spend my holidays. Holidays are a special time to relax, have fun, travel, and spend time with family and friends. Everyone spends holidays in different ways. Today, you will learn how to talk about your holidays in simple English. This lesson is perfect for beginners. Listen carefully. Repeat every sentence. Practice speaking slowly. Let's begin. Holiday vocabulary. Before we begin our story, let's learn some useful words. Holiday. Repeat. Holiday. Vacation. Repeat. Vacation. Travel. Repeat. Travel. Family. Repeat. Family. Beach. Repeat. Beach. Park. Repeat. Park. Picnic. Repeat. Picnic. Relax. Repeat. Relax. Photos. Repeat. Photos. Memories. Repeat. Memories. Excellent. Now let's use these words in simple sentences. I enjoy my holidays. Repeat. I enjoy my holidays. I spend time with my family. Repeat. I spend time with my family. We make happy memories. Repeat. We make happy memories. Very good. Talking about holidays. Now let's practice a simple conversation. Emma, what do you usually do during your holidays? Daniel, I usually spend time with my family. Emma, do you travel anywhere? Daniel, sometimes. We visit beautiful places near our city. Emma, what do you enjoy the most? Daniel, I enjoy relaxing and taking photos. Excellent. Practice time. Repeat after me. I love holidays. Pause. I love holidays. I travel with my family. Pause. I travel with my family. We enjoy every moment. Pause. We enjoy every moment. Holidays make me happy. Pause. Holidays make me happy. Excellent. My holiday morning. Now let's continue. Friend, what do you do on the first day of your holiday? Emma, I wake up without an alarm. Friend, what do you do after breakfast? Emma, I help my family plan the day. Friend, do you stay at home? Emma, sometimes. Other days we visit parks or interesting places. Wonderful. Listening practice. Listen carefully. Olivia enjoys every school holiday. She wakes up later than usual and has breakfast with her family. After breakfast, they decide what they want to do. Sometimes they visit a museum. Sometimes they go to a park or have a picnic. In the evening, Olivia writes about her day in a notebook and looks at the photos she took. Now answer these questions. What does Olivia do during school holidays? She enjoys relaxing and spending time with her family. What do they decide after breakfast? They decide what they want to do. Where do they sometimes go? They visit a museum, a park, or have a picnic. What does Olivia do in the evening? She writes in a notebook and looks at her photos. Excellent work. Useful daily sentences. Repeat after me. I enjoy my holidays. I spend time with my family. We visit beautiful places. I take many photos. Holidays create wonderful memories. Very good. English learning tip. When talking about holidays, use the present simple tense to describe your usual activities. For example, I visit my grandparents. I travel with my family. I take photos. I relax at home. These sentences describe things you usually do during your holidays. Practice them every day. Final practice. Repeat these important sentences. I love spending my holidays with my family. I enjoy visiting new places. I make happy memories. Holidays help me relax. Every holiday is a new adventure. Fantastic work. Today, you learned useful holiday vocabulary, practiced simple conversations, and talked about your holidays in English. In Part 2, we will learn how to talk about holiday activities, hobbies, visiting relatives, and continue improving your English through real-life conversations. Keep listening. Keep practicing. I'll see you in Part 2. I'm happy you're here again. In Part 1, we learned useful holiday vocabulary, practiced simple conversations, and talked about holiday mornings. Today, we will continue learning English through real-life conversations. You will learn how to talk about holiday activities, visiting relatives, enjoying hobbies, and spending quality time with family and friends. Listen carefully. Repeat every sentence. Practice speaking slowly. Let's begin. Holiday activities. There are many fun things to do during the holidays. Listen carefully. I like visiting new places. Repeat. I like visiting new places. I enjoy taking photos. Repeat. I enjoy taking photos. I sometimes ride a bicycle with my friends. Repeat. I sometimes ride a bicycle with my friends. I love relaxing during my holidays. Repeat. I love relaxing during my holidays. Excellent. Conversation about holiday plans. Emma. What do you usually do after breakfast during your holidays? Daniel. I usually go outside with my family. Emma. Where do you like to go? Daniel. We often visit a park, a lake, or a shopping mall. Emma. Do you enjoy shopping? Daniel. Yes, but I enjoy spending time together even more. Wonderful. Practice time. Repeat after me. I enjoy my holidays. Pause. I enjoy my holidays. I like visiting new places. Pause. I like visiting new places. I take many photos. Pause. I take many photos. I spend time with my family. Pause. I spend time with my family. Very good. Visiting relatives. Friend. Do you visit your relatives during the holidays? Emma. Yes. We often visit my grandparents and my cousins. Friend. What do you do together? Emma. We eat delicious food, play games, and tell funny stories. Friend. That sounds like a wonderful holiday. Emma. Yes. I always enjoy those moments. Excellent. Listening practice. Listen carefully. Ryan enjoys every holiday with his family. One afternoon, they visit his grandparents' house. His grandmother prepares a delicious lunch, and everyone eats together. After lunch, Ryan and his cousins play football in the garden. Later, they take a family photo and enjoy fresh fruit under a big tree. Before going home, Ryan thanks his grandparents for the wonderful day. Now answer these questions. Where does Ryan go during the holidays? He visits his grandparents' house. Who prepares lunch? His grandmother. What do Ryan and his cousins play? They play football. What do they do before going home? They take a family photo and thank their grandparents. Excellent work. Useful daily sentences. Repeat after me. I enjoy visiting my relatives. I play games with my cousins. We eat together. I love making happy memories. My holidays are always fun. Very good. English learning tip. Use frequency words to describe your holiday habits. For example, I always visit my grandparents. I usually travel with my family. I often take photos. I sometimes go to the beach. I never stay bored during my holidays. These words make your English sound more natural. Practice using them every day. Final practice. Repeat these important sentences. I enjoy every holiday. My family makes every holiday special. I love visiting new places. Every holiday teaches me something new. Happy memories last forever. Fantastic work. Today you learned how to talk about holiday activities, visiting relatives, and enjoying your free time in English. In Part 3, we will practice longer conversations, talk about holiday trips, favorite holiday memories, and improve your listening and speaking skills through real-life situations. Keep listening. Keep practicing. I'll see you in Part 3. I'm happy you're here again. In Part 2, we learned how to talk about holiday activities, visiting relatives, and spending time with family and friends. Today, we will continue with longer conversations. You will learn how to talk about holiday trips, favorite holiday memories, learning new things during holidays, and making plans for the future. Listen carefully. Repeat every sentence. Let's begin. Going on a holiday trip. Many people enjoy traveling during their holidays. Listen to this conversation. Emma, did you go anywhere during your last holiday? Daniel. Yes. My family and I visited a beautiful hill station. Emma, what did you do there? Daniel. We walked around, took many photos, and enjoyed the fresh air. Emma, did you like the trip? Daniel. Yes. It was peaceful and unforgettable. Excellent. Now repeat. I enjoy traveling. Pause. I enjoy traveling. I visit beautiful places. Pause. I visit beautiful places. I take many photos. Pause. I take many photos. Very good. My favorite holiday memory. Friend. What is your favorite holiday memory? Emma. My favorite memory is our family picnic near a lake. Friend. Why do you remember it so well? Emma. Because everyone laughed, played games, and enjoyed delicious food together. Friend. Did you take pictures? Emma. Yes. We took many beautiful family photos. Wonderful. Learning during holidays. Daniel. Do you only relax during your holidays? Emma. No. I also learn new things. Daniel. What do you learn? Emma. I read English books, practice speaking, and watch educational videos. Daniel. That's a great idea. Emma. Learning a little every day helps me improve. Excellent. Listening practice. Listen carefully. Emily enjoys every holiday because she has time to explore new places and learn new skills. Last summer, her family visited a quiet village in the mountains. They walked through green fields, visited a small market, and talked to friendly local people. Emily learned how to make traditional food from an elderly woman in the village. Every evening, she wrote about her experiences in her journal and practiced new English words. When the holiday ended, Emily returned home with wonderful memories and more confidence in speaking English. Now answer these questions. Where did Emily go during her holiday? She visited a quiet village in the mountains. What did she learn there? She learned how to make traditional food. What did she do every evening? She wrote in her journal and practiced English. How did Emily feel after the holiday? She felt happy and more confident. Excellent work. Useful daily sentences. Repeat after me. I enjoyed traveling with my family. I learned something new during every holiday. I take photos to remember happy moments. My holidays are full of fun and learning. Every trip is a new adventure. Very good. English learning tip. When telling a story, connect your ideas with simple sequence words. For example, first, we packed our bags. Then, we started our trip. After that, we visited many beautiful places. Finally, we returned home with happy memories. These words make your English clear and natural. Practice them every day. Final practice. Repeat these important sentences. I enjoy every holiday. Travel helps me learn new things. My family makes every trip special. I love creating happy memories. Every holiday is a wonderful adventure. Fantastic work. Today you practice talking about holiday trips, favorite memories, and learning during your holidays using natural English. In Part 4, we will review everything with one complete story about a holiday, practice more listening, and finish with a speaking challenge to help you confidently talk about how you spend your holidays in English. Keep listening. Keep practicing. I'll see you in Part 4. Congratulations! You have reached the final part of today's English listening practice. Today, you learned useful holiday vocabulary, practiced real-life conversations, and improved your English through a simple story about spending holidays. Now, let's review everything with one complete story. Listen carefully. Try to understand every sentence. Then repeat the important expressions with me. Let's begin. How I spend my holidays. Hello, my name is Sophia. Today, I would like to tell you how I spend my holidays. Holidays are my favorite time of the year because I can relax, enjoy new experiences, and spend more time with my family. On the first day of my holiday, I usually wake up a little later than usual. I enjoy a healthy breakfast with my parents and my younger brother. After breakfast, we talk about our plans for the day. Sometimes we visit a beautiful park. Sometimes we travel to a nearby town. Sometimes we stay at home and enjoy a quiet day together. No matter where we go, we always have fun. When we travel, I like looking at beautiful scenery through the car window. I also enjoy taking photographs of nature, flowers, rivers, and interesting places. These photos help me remember our happy moments. One of my favorite holiday activities is visiting my grandparents. My grandmother prepares delicious meals, and my grandfather tells wonderful stories about his childhood. My cousins often come to visit too. We play games, ride bicycles, laugh together, and spend the whole day having fun. During my holidays, I also make time for learning. I read easy English books, watch educational videos, and practice speaking English for a short time every day. Learning during the holidays helps me become more confident without feeling stressed. In the evening, my family and I sometimes go for a walk. We enjoy the cool air, talk about our day, and watch the sunset together. When we return home, we have dinner and look at the photos we took during the day. Before going to bed, I write a few sentences in my journal about my favorite moments. This helps me remember my holiday for many years. At the end of every holiday, I feel happy because I have rested, learned new things, and created beautiful memories with the people I love. That is why holidays are so special to me. Listening questions. Now answer these questions. Why does Sophia enjoy holidays? Because she can relax, spend time with her family, and enjoy new experiences. What does Sophia like taking photos of? Nature, flowers, rivers, and interesting places. Who tells stories during family visits? Her grandfather. What does Sophia do to improve her English during the holidays? She reads English books, watches educational videos, and practices speaking. What does she write before going to bed? She writes about her favorite moments in her journal. Excellent work. Everyday English practice. Now repeat these useful sentences. I enjoy spending my holidays with my family. I like visiting new places. I practice English during my holidays. I make wonderful memories. Every holiday teaches me something new. Fantastic. Speaking practice. Now it's your turn. Answer these questions in English. How do you usually spend your holidays? Do you travel or stay at home? What is your favorite holiday activity? Who do you spend your holidays with? What is your best holiday memory? Take your time. Speak slowly. Use complete sentences. The more you practice speaking, the more confident your English will become. English learning tip. When talking about holidays, use time expressions to organize your ideas. For example, in the morning, after breakfast, in the afternoon, in the evening, before going to bed. These expressions make your English smoother and easier to understand. Practice them every day. Final review. Today you learned how to talk about your holidays in English, describe holiday activities and trips, talk about family time and happy memories, use the present simple tense naturally, improve your English listening and speaking skills. Excellent work. You are improving your English step by step. Thank you so much for learning with Daily English Flow. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. I'll see you in our next English listening practice. Until then, keep practicing, keep learning, and never stop improving your English. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.